Plug the trainer's power socket into a 110-volt AC power source. Press the on button located on the side of the trainer. The orange power indicator will light up. The power indicator on the front panel will also turn on, confirming the trainer is in standby mode. Turn the ignition key one position forward. The red on indicator will light up. Display screens will activate, and climate control system actuators will move into their default positions. LED indicators will show flap and valve calibration. Turn the ignition key one more time to switch to run mode. This enables full system functionality. The trainer is now ready for operation, measurement, and diagnostics. The system is plug and play. No additional setup is required before each lesson. To turn off the trainer, perform the steps in reverse order.